What's up, everybody? I worked on this dryer yesterday. This is a controller for a Frigidaire dryer, and when I was connecting everything back together, this relay came off from here. So I'm going to, I have those relays in stock. I have a bunch of them. I'm just gonna see if there's no damage on the other side of the board, and also this connector came out a little bit. I think it's just a it's just a plastic piece here. So I'm gonna start removing it by taking the 3 screws out here. Where is my screwdriver? Let's use this one. It's pretty easy job, but the most concern I have is that what's happened on the other side, because I see there is like maybe some pods came out loose. Looks like 4 of them, so we'll see what's the condition on the other side. I don't think it's a big problem, but yeah. Actually, the customer yesterday, he asked me if I'm gonna charge him extra. Well, usually I do charge extra for the service, but nowadays we're trying to be a little bit nicer with the customers. But yeah, this is a definitely extra service. But in this particular case, I just decided to do it for the sake of this video and show you guys how I do the repairs. Now, when you take it out, be careful. You don't have to take those plastic pieces off, but be careful and remember the location of this knob towards here. So if you're not sure, again, take pictures, because this knob and this shaft has to go in the same directions. Okay, I'm just gonna put this aside, and now I'm gonna open this controller. So there is a couple clips you have to remove, and if you're not sure, again, take pictures. So I always recommend taking pictures if you're not sure, or it's your first time doing that. So there's a couple more clips here. You have to release it from the plastic piece. Okay, I would recommend just leave it as is, like that. Okay, so because when you're gonna put it back together, you're just gonna do the same thing. Okay, so yeah, luckily the customer is pretty lucky in here in this situation, because all the pods are still inside. So all what needs to be done is to take those pods out. I'm just gonna heat the pods, take them out. I believe they will go in anyways, so let's test it. Let me just put this back in. Maybe this side is a little bit too much. Let me make it smaller. Let's see. Yeah, see? So all what needs to be done is to put solder back on those 4 points. Now before you do that, and remember, don't move this shaft, because there's a certain position it has to go in. So what I recommend to do is to solder one point, that way your relay is in place, and then you can do the other ones. So see, maybe even one more point, just to be on the safe side. Yeah, see, so that's actually came out pretty good. So once you have the 2 points, it's all secured, then you can move to the next two. Where's my flux? Same thing here. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, so now it's all done, and all what I have to do is pretty much put everything back together. So those buttons, they go back in here, this direction. And remember, I didn't move the shaft, so you just pretty much put it on it. And that's it. That's how you do a repair on this relay. Part number for this relay is T9A S1D22-12. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below and subscribe. Thanks again, and take care.